1980 townhouse. We did the interior and the exterior. Starting off, we get on the roof. This is a low slope rolled bitumen or membrane, if you want to call it that. You can see over here we've just got multiple areas of ponding water where you can just pick up all the debris and the granulars where the water's just been ponding because it was never tapered off and pitched correctly. So that's just throughout the roof. Some areas over here you can see where there's significant debris. Some areas they've recently coated the roof with another type of coating. These areas are starting to crack. The actual coating has just failed. You can just pull it up, so it's going back to the start of the original issue. Areas where you pull back all the debris, it's all the granular content is literally gone, just exposing the underlayment of the fibers and the membrane. So, and this is only a 10-year-old rolled membrane roof. It's prematurely worn. So, they're probably looking at a replacement more or less. Not been maintained too well. A lot of debris that doesn't allow for the water to properly drain off.
Money through